And one more thing I want to tell you, that is I. And you have seen inside a loop, right? Do you know what is I means? It's a good thing to know a little bit about I before learning the actual loop concept. You can think it as I means iterator or index. Iterators means something will keep changing in each iteration. Let's suppose the value of iterator can be changed 1 to 2 in the next iteration, and in the next iteration 3, 4, 5 and so on, right? Instead of I, you can use any variable over here like A, B, C, D, E, F and so on, right? But I is a convention and many developers or programmers generally use I inside a loop. But one thing keep in your mind, that I is not a keyword. It's just a normal variable, right? Let's suppose I want to print the table of 2, just like 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 into 2 equal to 4, 2 into 3 equal to 6, 2 into 4 equal to 8 and so on, right? Then here you have noticed that I am using 1 and 2 in each iteration. So these values can be stored inside the I, right? And in each iteration we can apply some logic to print these 2, 4, 6, 8 values. Also we can iterate the value of I from reverse, like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and so on, right? The value of I can be start from anywhere. It's not mandatory to start it from 1, right? It can be start from 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. So this is the basic idea of using I inside a loop, and I hope you don't have any doubt right now what is I inside a loop.